Have you ever wondered if some of the everyday items in your home could actually pose a threat to your health? Many common household products that we use without a second thought may contain hidden toxins and germs. In today's video, we'll uncover 8 household items that, if not handled properly, could have harmful effects on your well-being. It's easy to assume your home is a safe haven, but what if you've been unknowingly exposing yourself to harmful substances linked to cancer, hormonal imbalances, respiratory issues, and other health risks? Stick around as we take a closer look at these invisible dangers hiding in plain sight and discover how to make your home a safer place. 1. Scented candles, the hidden hazards. Let's start with something that seems completely harmless: scented candles. Almost everyone loves the cozy ambiance and inviting scents that these decorative items bring. But behind these pleasant fragrances lurk some concerning chemicals. Many scented candles contain limonene and phthalates, both of which can cause serious health risks when released into the air. While limonene smells like fresh citrus, it can transform into formaldehyde when exposed to air. Formaldehyde is a known human carcinogen linked to inflammation, liver toxicity, and an increased risk of lung and breast cancer. Pregnant women and their unborn babies are particularly vulnerable to these chemicals. The phthalates found in candles, often used to extend the fragrance, are endocrine disruptors that can lead to hormonal imbalances, liver cancer, and even complications for pregnant women and their babies. To reduce exposure, it's a good idea to avoid burning candles in enclosed spaces like bedrooms, as they also release carbon monoxide, which can cause dizziness, headaches, and nausea. Ventilating your space by opening windows is a safer alternative. And if you enjoy candles, try beeswax or soy-based options instead. 2. Humidifiers, breeding grounds for bacteria. Next up, humidifiers. These are a staple in many homes, especially during the winter months when dry air can cause discomfort. But did you know that humidifiers can also be breeding grounds for dangerous bacteria? A study found that after just 12 hours, both purified and tap water in humidifier tanks harbored similar levels of microbes. This is because the prolonged storage of water encourages bacterial growth, regardless of its source. Bacteria such as Pseudomonas aeruginosa, Legionella, and Streptococcus pneumoniae can thrive in unclean humidifiers, potentially leading to severe health issues like pneumonia, respiratory illnesses, and sepsis. To prevent bacterial buildup, make sure to clean your humidifier's water tank every 3 to 4 days. Also, leave it open and dry when not in use. This simple habit can help safeguard your health while keeping your home comfortable. 3. Dry cleaned clothes. Toxic residue. Did you know that dry cleaned clothes might be carrying more than just cleanliness? The perchloroethylene, commonly called PERC, used in many dry cleaning processes, is a powerful solvent known to be carcinogenic. PERC can enter your body through your skin or by inhaling its fumes, posing long-term health risks such as esophageal, uterine, and bladder cancers. Short-term exposure can cause dizziness, memory problems, and respiratory irritation. When you bring dry-cleaned clothes home, remove the plastic covering and let them air out for a few hours in a well-ventilated area before storing them. This will help minimize your exposure to the harmful chemicals that may still be lingering in the fabric. 4. Thermal paper receipts, surprising chemical exposure. Let's talk about something most of us handle daily: thermal paper receipts. These seemingly harmless slips of paper are often coated with bisphenol A, BPA, a chemical known for its hormone-disrupting properties. BPA is absorbed easily through the skin and has been linked to conditions such as reduced testosterone levels in men, early puberty, and birth defects in women. Shockingly, studies have shown that even a brief 2-second contact with a receipt can result in significant absorption of BPA. Handling receipts after applying hand lotion can increase this exposure dramatically, as the oil in the lotion facilitates the absorption of BPA into the skin. To protect yourself, avoid keeping receipts in your wallet or touching them unnecessarily. If handling receipts is part of your job, consider wearing gloves to minimize contact. 5. Antibacterial soaps. More harm than good. You may think that antibacterial soaps offer superior protection against germs, but research has shown that they may do more harm than good. The active ingredient, triclosan, has been linked to thyroid hormone disruption, antibiotic resistance, and weakened immune function. In fact, in 2016, the FDA banned triclosan from consumer soaps due to its questionable safety and effectiveness. Triclosan can also react with chlorinated tap water, forming harmful byproducts like chloroform gas, which can cause liver issues and even cancer. To stay safe, stick to plain soap and water, which are just as effective when used correctly. If you want an added boost, look for soaps containing benzoic acid, which has been proven to be safer and just as effective. 6. Non-stick cookware, the silent toxin. Non-stick pans are a kitchen staple, but over time the coating can wear down, releasing harmful chemicals like perfluorooctanoic acid, PFOA. PFOA, a probable carcinogen, is released when non-stick surfaces are overheated or scratched, and it can accumulate in the body for long periods, increasing cholesterol levels and the risk of thyroid disorders. To avoid these risks, consider replacing old or damaged non-stick pans with safer alternatives like stainless steel or ceramic cookware. Always use low to medium heat and soft utensils to protect the non-stick surface and prevent harmful particles from leaching into your food. 7. Air fresheners, breathing in chemicals. Air fresheners may make your home smell pleasant, but many of them release phthalates into the air, just like scented candles. These chemicals can remain suspended in the air for long periods, leading to an increased risk of neurological problems, fertility issues, asthma, and even breast cancer. Instead of relying on synthetic air fresheners, try opening windows to let in fresh air or use indoor plants like orchids or aloe vera, which naturally purify the air. Regular dusting and vacuuming can also help eliminate odors without introducing harmful chemicals into your home. 8. Plastic food containers. Not as safe as you think. Finally, let's talk about plastic food containers. Even those labeled BPA-free can release estrogen-mimicking chemicals into your food, especially when heated. Over time, these chemicals can disrupt normal hormonal functions and lead to health problems. Whenever possible, switch to glass or stainless steel containers, especially for reheating food. By taking this simple step, you can significantly reduce your exposure to harmful chemicals. By being mindful of the everyday products you use, you can take small but meaningful steps to reduce your exposure to harmful toxins. Your health should always come first, so make sure to prioritize safer alternatives for yourself and your loved ones. If you found this video eye-opening, be sure to share it and leave a comment below about which household item concerns you the most. Together, we can create healthier, toxin-free homes.